Okay. I just want to go back over what's a channel and what's a trend. So I would say that so a channel is where it goes up and it'll hold and go up, or if it come down, it'll come down to here where it broke at and then go back up. If it goes below that, say it goes below this part, then that means it's a channel. So if it went down here, then it would have been a channel. If it would have went like way down here or came down here and then went back up. So if it would have went like way down in here, then it went back up, then it would have been a channel. And then you got channels that's like then you have channels like this where if you put a line, a trend line, and if you put a trend line down, you would see that it would go touch this line, come up, touch this line, go down and touch this line, then go up and touch this line. These are channels. When it goes down and touches this line, goes up, touches this line, goes down, touches this line, goes up, touches this line. That's a channel. So you could say, like right here, this is a channel within the up overall, it's a trend because, like right here, this is a channel. Like right here, so like right here, that's like a channel right there. It went down, and then it came back up. Well, you could say just if you count, if you put it right here, uh, I guess it's not a channel because if you can't put it like right, if you can't move it, but like if you look at it, you connect these 2 points. Like if you connect that point with that point, and then you connect this point with this point, you could see that it's kind of like a channel. But so like you could say this is that's uh, a channel that's within an overall bigger channel, because this is a channel here because it didn't stop right here where it broke at. It broke right here. Uh, the buyers went up from here, and then instead of it stopping right here, where this line is, where it broke right here, instead of it stopping, it went down lower. So that's a channel. So this is whole thing from here down is a channel. From here down is a channel. And then from here down. And then this is a channel. So this is a channel here, a downward channel. So and then so I guess this one right here, this would be more like a range, because if you put a line right here and a line right here, it's pretty much straight across. So this is more like a range. But this right here, if you count this as a break, it went down lower. And you notice when you have, if it would have held that SNR and made a higher high, it might have looked like it was a buy. But it helped make it look like it was a sell because it went down lower. So it's more like, okay, maybe it's a sell because it went down lower. Then it came back up. But so yeah, that's how it is. So like right here, it broke here. It broke here out of the range and it came down, and it, so this is more like a this right here all the way up until here is pretty much was like a up until, well, right here it broke right here. So if it would have came down and stopped right here, so I would say all the way up from here all the way until it went down right here, that was a trend. But since it didn't make it, it didn't stop right here, then that's a channel. From right here it turned into a channel, and then right here it broke, right? And then when it came down, it came down to where it broke at, but it didn't take off, and then it went down. So when you see things like this, that just lets you know that the higher time frame probably took over and it went lower than it was supposed to. Therefore, that's a sign that it's about to change directions. And that's why, even though, it came back up to here and then it went down, it was like a trend, but then it didn't take off right, and it came back down and went down like that. So